Sebuah bar di San Francisco, negara bagian California, menawarkan beragam pilihan makanan untuk dinikmati sambil minum. Salah satunya ikan kaleng, tinggal dibuka dan disajikan kepada pelanggan.
We are operating as a bar without a kitchen license, so one of the great easy solutions to that conundrum is definitely the tinned fish idea. This is a concept that's been around in Europe for hundreds of years, but is really new here in the US. Definitely here in the US, we've always had this idea that tinned fish is not an elegant food, and a lot of that is because what we were getting here in the supermarkets was kind of just smelly, not super great quality, not being fished sustainably, which are all really important things.
Tapi belakangan ikan kaleng menjadi tren baru yang ikut dipopulerkan media sosial, khususnya TikTok. Banyak warga Amerika selama terkungkung dalam rumah saat darurat pandemi juga mencari ide baru untuk memanfaatkan isi dapur.
I think the trend is here to stay, and I think the more and more people discover it and realize how much variety is out there, it's just getting stronger and stronger. And even more so, there are more domestic producers coming up now as well. And so I think that's a sign that the cultural shift is happening and it's going to be here to stay for a while.
Salah satu produsen terbaru asal Amerika Serikat adalah Fishwife, didirikan pengusaha yang pernah tinggal di Spanyol dan Portugal.
From our first year in business in 2021 to our second year, the business grew 250%, and this year we're on track to grow 150%.
Becca sendiri mencari pemasok yang bisa menyediakan ikan yang ditangkap secara berkelanjutan, antara lain tuna yang dipancing bukan dijala, sehingga meminimalisasi terbunuhnya hiu, penyu, dan satwa lain yang sering tersangkut dalam penangkapan ikan secara komersial.
Tin fish really does sort of sit at the nexus of all of the growing consumer trends. So, interest in ready-to-eat meals, interest in, very healthy meals, high protein, and interest in sustainability. So those are all rapidly ascendant consumer trends, and tin fish really speaks to all of them.
Bagi Maria Finn, seorang koki dan pakar kuliner, sudah waktunya bagi ikan kaleng diakui sebagai makanan lezat, bergizi, dan juga ramah lingkungan.
It's a really great way to eat dynamically, sustainably, and they quite frankly, they look good on a little charcuterie platter. So we can thank some of the high-end restaurants for that. It's better for the ocean, and it's also going to be better for your health. You're going to have fewer contaminants.
Minat terhadap ikan dalam kaleng di Amerika Serikat meningkat tajam belakangan ini, terutama di antara konsumen muda. Penjualan totalnya menurut konsultan Circana meningkat dari 2,3 miliar dolar pada 2018 ke 2,7 miliar dolar lebih pada 2023. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.